Yeah, back again in emoji unboxing, but this time is one of the earliest unboxing. Perhaps, I'm not sure, but most likely I haven't got my setup, overhead setup yet. But bes- beside, I'm also decided to unbox it in my bedroom as well. So basically, it's just such bunch of unboxing video, very short. Just unboxing my new finally iPad mini. Each of the video is just around 10 seconds for no reason. So I just tried to check. I just love the unboxing electronic, even though at some point just like to just collecting it without ever to unboxing it, since I am not currently really needs those kind of things. But yeah, for this it will be a waste, since this is also one of the latest model that just recently produced. I decided to give it a shot, I guess. Besides, yeah, it is already pretty annoying for me to using the first generation of iPad mini, since it's just keep crashing all the time when trying to play video. So yeah, this is actually a very huge upgrade, of course, even though this kind of iPad is not yet using the MacBook processor, which is the M1, but it's just really capable, especially when you compare to the previous iPad first generation, which is basically beside it. So it's just don't get it why I'm just trying to record very short video. It's quite annoying that I need to pause and resume my records.